back to my channel. I'm in my hometown. We traveled here. Last time we came here was not even Christmas. I don't really know. We are gonna stay here like for a week. I will show you guys some products that some brands have sent to me. I'll show you my dog who's right there in front of me with my boyfriend. Yeah, I don't know. I'm so excited because I'm finally here. We'll go to the beach. Hopefully we'll eat ice cream. I don't know what we're gonna do, but the main plan in this vlog for us is to get a tan, because we've been 3 months stuck at home and we couldn't go to the beach, or in our house in Barcelona, you guys know there's no sun. But yeah, I don't know, this intro is all over the place, but I just wanted to say that I'm happy that I'm here and that this vlog is gonna be all over the place as well, but it's gonna be so cool. Stay tuned because it's gonna be great. I'm in my bathroom. We've been walking around and we took the dog out, and now I'm gonna hop into the shower because I really want to try this mask that the brand Savage, this mask that this brand sent me. The packaging, first of all, it's really cute. I want to have a clean face and everything. I'm not wearing any makeup, but I really want to go deeper into my skincare. I really take my skincare super seriously, and I really want to try this. So I'm gonna hop into the shower and then we'll try it together. I will show you guys how to do it. I just showered and now I'm outside. We're going to try the face mask. The brand is called Saber. They sent it to me. So we have to mix a tablespoon of this with a tablespoon of water, and then it's gonna form the face mask, and then you have to apply it and let it in your face until it's almost dry, but not really, and then you have to take it off. It's Rainforest Blue Clay. Wow, look at that. So we have to take a tablespoon of this to the water, and then we're gonna mix it. I'm gonna go to the bathroom and I'm gonna apply it on my face. Okay guys, so I just took it off and I'm gonna do my skincare routine that I do every night. I think it was refreshing, and definitely it was exfoliating when you take it off with a warm cloth. It's exfoliating. I feel my skin like softer because it took off all the dirty things and the dead skin. I definitely know that clay, it's exfoliating, and it's good if you have pimples because it helps dry the pimples faster. So I definitely could feel that. My skin has a little bit of acne everywhere. It's getting better little by little thanks to my skincare routine. I've been taking care of my skin a lot, and I've been buying new products and switching up everything. So I definitely think this clay mask is a very good improvement to my skincare routine. I'll keep on using it, and if I see big results or something like that, I'll definitely update you in other vlogs. And if you want to buy this face mask, look it up in the description down below. It's gonna be there. It's from a small business. I love supporting small businesses as well, and they were so nice. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna finish my skincare routine and we're gonna go have dinner with my family downstairs. Let me explain you. We have 3 apartments here. I'm in the last one upstairs with my boyfriend, and my parents are in the first one, like downstairs. The second one, we don't use it, we just rent it, and right now we are selling it. And I'm in the 3rd floor. I think it's my favorite because of the terraces and the views that it has. I don't know if you're seeing this. It's 8 in the morning. I got ready, as you saw. I did like my sun-kissed beach natural makeup. So yeah, now I'm gonna go downstairs and I'm gonna cook for my family and my boyfriend. I'm gonna make oatmeal pancakes. I know I've been doing this a lot, but I really want them to try them. I'm thriving here. I really like it. Look at the view, guys. It starts over there and you can even see more, and it goes right there, all of that. Then there's the sea, you can see the ocean right there. We're gonna go there later. And that, and all of that. And then if you look up, there's sky. We have this structure right here because when it's like really sunny, we put like a little thing here to eat and have lunch there outside. But look at that. So yeah guys, you're gonna see a lot of that in this vlog. I'm gonna go cook breakfast and then I'll show you guys. Pick some vegetables from all of these that my dad has here planted to make a salad today. We're gonna need a pickle. He said the biggest one I could find, a tomato, this huge lettuce, and then an onion. We have this pickle. I'm thinking that one. If you hear that, it's my boyfriend jumping. Yeah, we're gonna pick that one right there. We're gonna pick another onion. Wow, look at my onion. Look at that one. Well, they're kind of funny. We're gonna pick a tomato, this one. There we go. We're gonna make the salad. My dad is cooking meat and we're gonna have like a kind of barbecue meat and some salad. Going to the beach, I changed into a beachy outfit. I really like this one. It was from my sister when she was younger, like when she was my age or something like that. So it's vintage because she's 21 years older than me, and it's a romper. We're gonna drive to some beach because we don't really want to go to the main beaches. Also, I wanted to show you guys this picture of me when I was younger. I look like a little princess.